Good morning, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm out camping for the weekend. Wanted to do a year with the gear with the GSI coffee drip. And I originally got this because I was buying the 3-in-1 coffees with the sugar, cream, and everything already in there, an instant coffee. And I went to go buy more, and they were all sold out. So I said, well, let me think about an alternative. So it's actually really simple. You just take your cup and you just stick it on there, just like that. I'm sure you could use the same thing for tea, whatever. So you just set that up, put your grounds inside, which I'll show you, boil some water, which I'm going to do here in a minute, and make yourself a nice hot brew. So you can do it with tea too. I don't know if tea needs to be steeped longer, but oh, do they make pour over tea? Alright, so one little trick that I do is to get the perfect amount of water, I'll just go ahead and pour it in my coffee cup. That way I'm not boiling more water than I need. Sweet. Get this sucker fired up. Get the sucker back in place. I get these canvas bags off of Etsy. Been really happy with them. Got a little one for my sugar too. And all I do is to keep the coffee grounds out of the seams, I just put in a zip top bag. And I'll just pour my coffee in there. I'll go a little bit more. All right. Come on. Sweet. Alright, give it a few minutes, but we have coffee. I can get this off without spilling it. And I have. And sometimes I'll just toss the grounds right into the fire pit. I'm going to add a single Truvia. And I got some hazelnut creamer. Alright, cheers one and all. Delicious. Oh yeah. Alrighty, well, I will link the original video and also this product probably from Amazon, and also I'll try to get GSI website as well. I'm sure they still have it on there. When I go to clean it, I just rinse it out and I just store it in a zip top bag because you don't have to worry about making a mess all over inside my pack. So pretty money. If I can get the bag open, there we go. I'll just drop it in there. Push the air out. I mean, zip top bags are disposable, so anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.